So I'm going to go back to our examples folder, and I'm going to expand the site folder here. And let's look at the structure real quick. We have 4 files here that line up with each of the pages on our site: about, contact, index, and products. Notice the HTML extension on each one of these, which means that this is just static HTML. We also have 3 folders here. One is our steps folder, which, like in previous examples, includes code as we move through our next steps, so we can ignore this for now. But the 2 other folders are images, which includes the set of images that we see on the site. If we extend this, we'll see a picture of the founder, which was on the About page, the logo, a set of images for the products, a background for the page, and then the image that we saw on the home page that demonstrates how we can use a throwing stick in order to distract a large lizard. And the other folder is our styles folder. If we expand that, we see we have just one file in here, style.css. And this includes all the styling for our site, and we'll come to that in just a moment.